What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're playing Angry Birds Go. It's all about racing, guys. All about them racing. Okay? Let's go. Super speed. Oh, God, no. Ow. Ow, I crashed. Ow. No, my tire's broken. I took a hard hit, but I'm still first. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, gosh. A sharp turn. Woo, nice done, Anthony. And yep, good. Woo, and go. And yeah. Yes, let's go. Dang, we already got a lot of coins. Let's turn that down so that you guys can actually hear me. Hi, welcome to Angry Birds Go. We will build you around the island. What? Okay, that's just weird. And we got, we have the best. We have 59. Go! Get away, pigs. I don't like you, piggies. That's what we hit you with. We hit you with birds. That's why birds do not like pigs. Oh, dang it. No, my tire. Why does it keep happening? I wish I could upgrade my tire strength. Maybe that is an upgrade that we could do, guys. I don't know. I haven't even played this game. But it's actually looking kind of cool. Oh, that's how you drift. Without a tire. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh my God, my guy fell off. What did I win? Oh, 5 coins for repairing things. I don't know. Keep playing the camp to unlock more carts, characters, and other special powers. You earned enough parts to upgrade your cart. Go to the workshop. Let's upgrade that, guys. Oh, okay, that's cool. Gotta push that. This looks awesome. You increase your CC. A higher CC means a more powerful cart. Angry Birds Go now supports Chromecast and other Google Cast devices. Tap on this cast button anytime you want to play on TV. Ooh, that's cool. Where is that? That's right there. Down in the left corner. Let's go. Third battle. Okay, 60. Splat the fruit. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, ow. Oh, I got so much fruit. I like fruit. My Angry Birds likes fruit, I guess. Whoa. Well, now it turns into coins. After you get enough fruit, I guess. Can I change the way I turn? Can I just move like my tablet sideways to turn? That would be a lot easier. Like, guys, this is hard. Just pushing the button. Like turning it sideways. See, I lost the tire. I lost it. And then I didn't bend it. I lost it. Because this arrow thing is so difficult to work with. But I still got a gold coin. That's perfect. Dun 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 dun. Oh look, guys. It even tells you what the rewards you can get. So if you get 1 star, then I get a ticket. 2 stars, 300 bird coins. And 3 stars, I get 500 bird coins. That's perfect. Boost to get ahead in cart. Try one now for free. 2, 1. Yahoo! Oh my God, that went over the line. Oh. Yeah, he. I don't care. Yahoo! Speed! Whoa! Woo! That was a hard hit. He lost the front wheel, guys. Woo! That was a good drift. Oh my god, what is that? That TNT? Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, we gotta dodge the TNT, I think. This TNT blows up. It's not friendly. Ah, for the hard crash. We drifted sideways. Yeah, we got first. Nathan, I just got first in the game. Congratulations, you won your first ticket. Let's visit the shop. Because I can. You can use your ticket here to open toolboxes which contain things you will need to upgrade your cart. Okay. Oh, got a gold thing. Is that it? Oh, 5,000 coins. Do I get a free one? Yeah, I want a free. Gotta watch this video, guys. Guys, I'm just gonna pause this video. I'm just gonna pause it real quick so that I can watch this video. And you don't have to, so yeah, let's pause it. Okay, guys, so after we just watched that ad, so now we're back. Oh, we got 5 gems, 13 cart coins, and 109, what's it called? Bird coins, I think. Is that what's called? Oh, I can upgrade it. Can I upgrade the tires, please? Because my tires are bad. Thank you. I will definitely upgrade that. I will definitely upgrade that too. My tires are weak. Wait, what is this? Upgrade your top. Oh, that's speed. What's this? Wow. I meant to open the bottom part. Wow, guys. Oh, wait, there's different kind. There's like air, sub-zero, rocky road, or stunt. Well, I think there's different kind of races. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, wait. First, we're gonna watch an ad so that we can get the boost. So I'll be back with you guys. Okay, guys, we're back. 2, 1, go! Flew over him first time. I think he has a bomb, cause he's a bomber. Okay, guys, we don't like him, but our top speed is great. Oh, nope, we're not doing good. Our tire has popped. Now we're gonna do very bad drifts. Okay, guys. So, yeah, we might lose this. No, because he's catching up fast. He's picking up speed. How's he so fast? Never mind. He's not. I'm gonna beat him. And ice. Woo! First place, first try. Yes. I earned all 3. But I got 10 maps or something like that. What do you use maps for? Oh, Christ. Water drops. His burner burns out. Okay. Amazing, you unlocked a bomb. Now you could go blow the competition away. Okay. There's a lot of characters, each with a unique special ability. Defeat them in the campaign to unlock them all. Ooh, look at this. That's cool. Now let's go to cart. Level up your first blueprint. Use blueprints to level up your cart or unlock new ones. Collect more by opening toolboxes or playing daily. I don't know. What? Oh, yeah, I forgot. I could open a toolbox right as it says that. Wait, I want to upgrade that. Also want to upgrade that. Also want to upgrade. Nope, not enough. There we go. What's the blueprints? What? How come I... What? How do I use the blueprints? Actually... What? Guys, I do not know how to use these blueprints. Oh, you have to build cars by the blueprints, right? I don't know. Okay, now let's go. Oh wait, it costs more. Why? Does it cost more just to play? Dun 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 dun. I don't care. I'm trying to push X, but it won't. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh wow, there's one more guy that has more speed than me, but I have bombs. You don't want to mess with me, 'cause I'm terrorizing. Oh, he thinks he could pass me up, but no. Sorry. Too soon. You spoke too soon, buddy. I'm sorry. But you did. Yahoo! Yahoo! For the first place. Guys, we're going like super speed. Okay, guys. So, oh, that was a good turn. Yeah, guys, I'm good. Oh, nicely done. Didn't even hit a wall this race. Even though it's like... I spun into the finish. Oh my god, I'm getting burned. Recharge with boost. Nope. What? Now I'm retrying that race because I only got 2 stars. I mean 1 star and a half. Maybe it's time limit too. 2, 1, go! Woo! Still in the lead with a spin out. This needs to be competitive. Woo! Let's go. Oh wow, they all passed me. I'm in 4th. Guys, no, I'm in 4th. How? How has this happened? How has this... Hey guys, it's not even moving my character right now. Look it. Like I'm here at the finish line and look it. I'm still in 4th. What? This game cracked. What? No one else is here. That does not make any sense. Guys, I think it glitched out. Go away, stupid thing. Okay, thank you. Thank you for going away. Come on. Oh, no, I was just, I don't need to download that. Okay. How come? 2, 1, go! See if it doesn't glitch out this time. Last time it did, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Why is there like a red dot? Does that mean that that guy's second fastest? I don't know. He's in like 3rd or something. Bomb in the air. I just wanted to use that bomb. Guys, we're going super speed. Like, no stopping now. There's no stopping now. Woo! Wanna see a spin out? Look it, they're not even here. And how am I still getting that? I don't get it. Whatever, guys. I think that's gonna be the end of this. So, yeah. If you want to see more, and leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, that's it. So, bye.